Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna talk about start the new year fresh. Step 1. Get a haircut. To freshen up your face, schedule an appointment with your stylist early into the new year. You can get a trim for a subtle upgrade or go for a bold new hairstyle for a totally different look. This way, you'll feel fresh for the year ahead. For instance, if you have long, straight hair, consider chopping it to shoulder length and adding some layers. If you have a short hairstyle, consider cutting the sides even shorter for a subtle change. For example, if you have a pixie cut, you can take it even shorter. Step 2. Experiment with your look. By trying something new appearance-wise. Doing something new with your appearance can help you feel confident as you enter the new year. You can do things like rock a bold lip color, get a new facial piercing, or upgrade your current glasses style. Find what works for your style and budget, and go something new. You can also dye your hair a bright color, go on a shopping spree for new clothing, or invest in a new pair of shoes. Step 3. Start a fitness routine. Think about your current health and your overall fitness goals and make a plan to improve your health based on where you are. For instance, you can start taking a 20-minute walk after work every day, or you can train to run a marathon in the fall. Start simply and gradually so you can stick with your goals. If you are new to exercise, you can find a gym in your area and start going 3 times a week. Walk on the treadmill for 20 minutes each time to get started. If you are a fitness enthusiast, make a goal to improve your BMI or get a 6-pack by the end of the year. For instance, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more informational content.